definitely has some backstory.
All hope abandon ye who enter here.
What?
The threads that used to bind the world together are snapping there in Sector A0. And as they do, chaos looms through the wounds in reality.
Oh. Okay. What? This gives me just like 3 different games in one. I'll be honest with you. I'm so serious. I get 3 different games when I see this. Dead Space is definitely one of them. And then like a Silent Hill because of the creature type things is another one. I'm trying to pinpoint the 3rd game. Hey bro.